Walkie-Poo here in Wonewok to go see maybe a fire pit, and let's go. We're in the main lodge here.
Walkie-Poo.
Walkie-Poo. I got the drone. Maybe go to the boathouse. Get some. Watch it. Let's go down. Maybe. Yep, going that way.
It's warmed up to
it's
12 degrees.
It's a nice 22 degrees. Feels like 15. Feeling Minnesota. Looking Minnesota. Looking Minnesota. We're gonna try to get maybe some warm boots, because the kind that I have are not cutting it here. I mean, I'm prepared. I just didn't pack a giant
3M Thinsulate.
Yeah. We're going to the boathouse, because that's where you get all your gear. Ooh, I can hear.
Oh, I hear dogs.
Oh, I hear the dog sledding. We're gonna go see some of that too, by the way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. Oh, there they go. Look. Well, they sound angry. They sound like they're being assaulted or something. What's going on with that? Look, they're driving on the lake. Look at that. So you can see. There's the ice skating right there, and there's the little ice fishing huts, and there is literally a car on the ice. Don't ask me why. It's literally got a road. Look at that. They drive you across there. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so I guess if you want to ride out to the fishing huts, I guess. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Dog sledding. This is where we can launch the drone, right over here. Oh, look, the dog sledding. They're right there. The doggies. There's some fat tire bikes right here. All right. Little dog sledding. Here we come. Some drone footage. Hi, Sam. Actually, I feel great out here. Like this with all this gear on. I mean, you can't not. So I put my gloves back on. Stand where you want to sit. So where does the one sit? In front?
One sits here, okay. And then the one stands back here.
Okay. What do you want? Sit or stand? Okay. That's right.
You gotta hold on with both hands.
Okay. So here,
right, and then standing.
You're sitting in there, right?
Sure, guys.
Yeah.
Fine.
All right, Trace. You're ready. Well, that was fun. Wow, those guys really do pull. Yeah, they do. Wow. All right, Pat. Hey, I just need you to sign that power of attorney.
I thought I did that.
Bye-bye, Sam. I mean, like for real, bye-bye. Nice knowing you. We decided to take a walk down to this ice fishing hut, and this is on Mantrap Lake? Or Petite. This is Petite Lake. So this lake is managed for trophy muskie fishing. So you have to have a license to do it. But we're not gonna be fishing here right now. Although I'd like to. I may go ahead and get the license. But pretty cool. So let's check out, see what this place is all about. Right, Boo? Alright, this is what this looks like. You have the seats here, you have the fishing. Oh, look, you got the wheel. Hey, leave that open for a second. Whoa. I can see the bottom of it. Come on, fishies. There. You got a heater in here. Look, it's like a little don't see any big fish though. How you feeling?
I'm good. It's not cold at all.
No.
Quite a bit here.
Now it's not cold at all. And I mean, obviously, look at us. We're loaded down here. This is pretty heavy duty gear. These boots are massive. Let me see these things. Look at this. Look at this.
Shoes untied.
I know. All right, it is time to go snowmobiling. And man, oh man, do I got some boots on here. I don't know if you can see I got some serious clodhoppers on. Let's see what Tracy is doing here, but we're ready to go. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play.
Get my clothes on.
Yeah, that's right. Ooh, no clothes. Okay, Tracy.
Hot.
Ooh.
Just kidding, I'm not.
Not at all. We're out. I feel like these boots weigh 20 pounds. Could be an exaggeration, but not by much. Oh, man. Well, they better put us in some serious gear, man. I can feel my face already is cold. Snowmobiling, here we come. Helmet and a jacket and hopefully some warmer gloves. It's okay. That's what we gotta do. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, look.
Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through this stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like
I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Probably not. But we're off, baby.
Got a good shot.
Wow. Another hour or so, we'd have a sunset here, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
I'll film you if you know. Tracy. All right. The snowmobiling at Wonewok is just awesome. You have to do it. And the snowmobiles were actually brand new 2023, so they were awesome shape and fast. Well, so what was our experience on these snowmobiles?
It was so much fun.
It was so awesome. It was really awesome.
We went really fast. We're not allowed to say how fast.
We went 30 miles an hour, honey. That's exactly. Yeah, we did not exceed 30 miles an hour on those bikes, and they were brand new. They're 2023s. Is what they'd say. Yeah. Yeah. So that was pretty awesome.
So much fun.
Awesome.
I caught air a couple times.
Did you?
Yeah, there was one time where I squealed. It was so much fun.
That was awesome. Yeah. I know. I had a couple of woos on the trail myself, which is pretty awesome. And we're catching a beautiful sunset. Look at this. You can kind of see it coming down over the. Ooh, I got to take a picture of that when we get up to the. But Wonewok, baby, Wonewok 2023. What a great way to start the year. Let's hope this year brings us some more blessings, right? Alrighty. I just want to point out the Scotch pattern carpet, which obviously for Scotch Guard and Scotch brand products, which is pretty awesome. I think I say pretty awesome a lot, but that's a good thing, right? Cool. And breakfast. Big shout out to the staff. They made us feel incredibly comfortable the whole time. The food was amazing. The service was amazing. Just a great experience, and we're very grateful and blessed to have experienced it. All right, so we're wrapping up our Wonewok trip, and what an experience. I mean, from the snowmobiles to the fishing, the ice fishing, to the dog sledding. Although there was a dog sledding accident, right?
Yeah, pretty bad one. So we heard the dog sledding lady got life flighted out of here.
Yeah, like helicopter came to pick her up and everything. You probably have to talk up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always.
Always. Too quiet over here.
Tired. It's been a long couple days.
Yeah, but the food has been awesome. The staff has been awesome. And then, I mean, just look behind us here at all of this wonderfulness.
Wintry wonderland.
It is. It is. I took the drone up, so you'll see some shots there, which is pretty awesome. And how about that coffee machine here? I mean, it's the little things.
Self-serve lattes and cappuccinos and
bar, you know, I mean, just full service everywhere you go. We missed the bonfire, but we
That's
pretty
okay.
much, yeah, we did a lot. So we didn't do the skeet shooting, but I'm okay with that too. So
Yeah. I didn't ice skate. Oh, we didn't turkey bowl.
yeah,
There's
turkey bowl.
bowling. We didn't do that. But
We didn't do the turkey bowl, but you know what?
Next time.
I think I'm okay with that. I really think I'm okay with that. For those of you that don't know what turkey bowl is, it's a giant frozen turkey on a rope that you throw. So I don't know that we really missed anything there. So now back to see the kiddos and back to Atlanta until our next adventure, which is, who knows?
I don't know.
I don't
Soon,
know.
hopefully.
Soon. Whoopsie. All right. Well, we'll on the bus and off we go.
We're gonna hang out at the airport
Yeah, we got a
for
long
a while.
airport.
Like 6 hours.
Long
7 hours.
airport. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting. So, but good shopping. MSP is the best airport in the country for shopping. FYI.
We gotta go to the Prince store.
Yeah.
And I have purple on today.
Yeah.
Appropriate.
Yeah, we got to get the kids some presents because we can't show up anymore without presents. So that's that. All right, until our next adventure. Ciao.